Once again, you're welcome to this tutorial. This is the lining that we are going to use for the tie cutting. You lay the lining on a flat surface as you have seen me do. Then you now place the material on top of the lining. The good side facing up, the lining to the good side facing up. That's the wrong side of the material and also the wrong side of the lining as I marked. Then you place the pattern. If you have not seen how I made this pattern, please go and watch the video. Now place the pattern. That is the big one. Then the second one is the small size. You turn it as you see me do. Turn it on the material. Then you will now pin it. You now pin it so that it will be stable, so that when you are cutting it, it will not give you problem. So it has to be firm when you are cutting it. That is why you need to pin it. You pin the second one. Please make sure that you place it as if you want to cut bias. Yeah. It's now time for you to cut it out. I repeat, please, when you want to place the pattern, place it in bias form. That's the cutting now. That's the cutting of the big pattern. You know, tie is being divided into two: the big pattern and the small pattern. So I'm now cutting the big one now. Remember, if you are placing the small pattern, you place it upside down as you saw me do before. Don't place it the same as you place the big pattern. It will not come out well. Please always place it upside down, as in the wrong side facing up. Talking about the small pattern now. If you have not subscribed to this channel, please subscribe to the channel and help us grow. Thank you very much. It's now time to cut a small pattern. Cut out the excess. You should take your time in cutting it so that you don't make mistake. Please, if you have not watched the video of how I made this pattern, is there on my channel here. Please go and watch it so that you know how to make the pattern. Thank you. Now the big and the small pattern is ready. Both with the lining, remove the pin. Look at how nice it is. mark it again, the wrong side. Please always mark the wrong side so that you will know. Mark the wrong side of the lining as well. Look at how beautiful it is, guys. It's wonderful. Wow. Wonderful. If you want me to show you how to sew this tie, please let me know in the comment section. Thank you.